So, finding a winning product, probably, from my experience, from my few years of experience in the space, a year or two, whatever it is, it's definitely finding the winning product. You know, obviously, we've established multiple times that creatives is a huge, if not the main factor of your business. It's the most crucial, especially when scaling. But finding a winning product, finding the winning market. And it's not, and after learning a lot in the last, few weeks, my new coach has taught me something about a winning product that kind of I want to share here with you today. As like you always know, that everything I learn, I share directly to you. He talked about a winning product. It's not a trending product. And that's the biggest misconception that this space has, okay? Look. Obviously, if you hop on a trending product, and especially not change anything about it, you're not going to get crazy results. Maybe you might get a few thousands, you might get lucky. But I'm talking about a winning product. I'm talking about a product where, it's done 6 figures and it can potentially be branded into something bigger. That's a winning product I'm talking about. And that's life-changing. I'm not talking about some measly change, right? I'm talking about life-changing money. And so basically, you have to picture these products kind of like a horse, right? A racing horse. Let me pull it out because I'm probably not going to be the best at explaining it. So a trending, like a super trending product, maybe it's like a trending girl dress, or maybe it's a trending beauty cosmetic, whatever it may be. It's kind of like a racehorse. It's running super fast, and you have to hop on it as soon as it passes by before passes by you. But you also have to be the one to hop on the horse while 20 other people are trying to hop on the horse as well. It's pretty difficult. Your competition is super high. You have such a short period of time to jump on that horse and hit it. And that horse, because it's running super fast, won't go far. It'll get tired very easily. But then you have the generic product, the maybe evergreen product, but it's a winning product and it's been around for a while. It has more competition, and it's a slower horse, so it's easier to get on and jump on, but it takes longer to scale. Like, it takes longer to see results, or maybe you have to find something specifically unique with it, or something to stand out of your competitors. And it's a difficult task to accomplish. It's a difficult thing to do. You have to have some degree of skills and experience in the game to kind of figure something out like that. But now, so none of those are like a winning product option. So you're probably like, okay, well, what the fuck is a winning product? Too fast is bad. Now too slow is too bad either. And what the fuck is it? Well, basically thought you have to think of it as the special horse, the horse that's kind of in the middle. So basically, the best way I can explain it is that the special horse, it has potential, but not many people are focusing on it. You see the potential because the reason why you see potential in this horse is because it's not based off emotions. It's based off the research and the analysis that you do on this. You find something that's like kind of intriguing to you, and it's like, let me dig a bit deeper. And you do your research. And then once you do more of your research and you understand and maybe finally realize, like, holy shit, this is a fucking juicy gap in the market. This is I've now done my research. I've understood what's all about, and it's like, whoa, It's like the best way I can explain it is, you should think like, wait, how the fuck did no one, like, how is no one doing this? Like, I just figured something out and no one has figured this out. It's kind of like the movie The Big Short. Have you ever watched it? Where it's like, you found something that no one realized. It's like everyone was paying attention to one thing and you were paying attention to this. A special horse. Now look. It's difficult, 100%. It's going to be hit or misses. You might focus and do your research and spend time on this, what you think is a special horse, and it doesn't hit. But that's fine. But because you're taking the testing or the testing at a slower pace, and you're trying to find this special horse, you may test fewer amount of products. But once it hits, like easily 150K months, you are the special horse. Now you may be asking me like, how the fuck you find a special horse? Well, fuck, you know what? To be honest, I'm not gonna bullshit you. I don't fucking know. I genuinely think there's, and I've been told there's multiple ways of going around it. Maybe taking an existing product that's used to be trending before and kind of twisting it with a new angle, a new market, a new benefit, whatever it may be. Or maybe working backwards, like I've mentioned before, where you find a growing market, you find a problem, you find a desire, and you find a product that solves all those problems and desires. I don't know. But that's for you to figure it out. And that's for me to figure out. That's the whole point of entrepreneurship, is that there's no given answers. There's no given structures that work. It's all up in the air. It's all about creativity, individuality, and it trains you. And it trains you to be the unique and entrepreneur that you always wanted to strive for. Now, I hope this video kind of unlocks something in your brain, kind of rewired something. Maybe something clicked. Because I think the best way to do it is not to give people direct answers. It would be useless to guide people and hold their hand all the way there. You need to build your problem-solving capabilities. And that's why when I talk to people that are very successful, I don't want them to give me the answers. Tell me your advice. Tell me your way of thinking. Let me analyze and study the way you solve the problem, not the actual solution itself. I think that develops you as a better entrepreneur. But anyways, yeah, I'll see you. That's it. That's all I got. I'll see you at the top.